In front of me is POCO F6, and today I would like to show you how you can edit password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Google. Then tap on All Services, select Autofill, Autofill with Google and Google Password Manager. Now just tap on any password that you wish to edit, enter your login method and hit Edit button. Finally, you can change whatever you want to, and when you finished, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!